everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Savkar Navale. My clinic, World Class Dental Clinic, is located in Pune on FC Road. So today I am making this video specially related to cement topic, that is zinc oxide eugenol. So what is zinc oxide eugenol cement, where it is indicated, what are the contraindications for it, and what are the properties. So zinc oxide eugenol, it is mostly used as a temporary filling material. The powder contain mostly zinc oxide, and the liquid is, most of the part of the liquid is covered, contains eugenol. So what are the properties of this filling material? This filling material comparatively has very low compressive strength, very low modulus of elasticity, and very low tensile strength, but this filling material has positive effect on the pulp, that is the blood supply and nerve supply of the tooth. And this material is one of the most friendly material when we compare with the tissue and the pulp. So these are certain property. Again, the solubility of this material is quite high, means it get dissolved into saliva very easily. So these are certain properties of zinc oxide eugenol material. So where this particular cement should be used? This cement is mostly used in cases where we have to do temporary cementation, we have to provide temporary crowns. That time we use zinc oxide eugenol. It can be used in a root canal treatment procedure for as a sealer. So that is also, even the kids, we can use zinc oxide eugenol. Again, the material is so biocompatible, it is used as a gingival tissue packs. Even in after the surgery, it can be used as a surgical packs. Even under certain cements which contain high amount of acid and irritants, in that cases this cement can be used as a liner or a base. On top of it, another material can be given which has high compressive strength. So these are certain uses of zinc oxide eugenol cement where it can be used. So what are the contraindication? Obviously this material doesn't have high tensile strength, high compressive strength, so it can't be used as a permanent filling material. And again, it can't be used as a for the cementation of permanent crowns, since it does not have that much of tensile strength. So these are certain areas where we should not use this material. So this is all about zinc oxide eugenol cement. And one more important property, apart from its biocompatibility, this material has a good thermal insulating effect. So that's the reason it is used as a base or liner in certain filling materials. And cost wise also it is comparatively cheaper. So this is all about zinc oxide eugenol cement. Hope this small video must have helped you to understood basics about ZOE or zinc oxide eugenol. Do like my channel guys, subscribe karo. Bye bye, take care.